Welcome to Sunshine Stories for Kids.
One day, Little Sparrow was flying happily in the sky. Suddenly, Hunter hit her with a stone. One of the sparrow's wings broke and she plummeted. The sparrow tried hard to fly up to the sky, but she understood that she would not really able to fly anymore. What do I do now? None of my friends or family is with me. How will I ever get back home with this broken wing? She said to herself. So she decided to stay in one of the trees nearby. For that day, she first approached the banana tree. "Hey banana tree, can I stay in your branches please?" she asked. "Shoo, go away," said the banana tree. The Berlin pit away to the next tree. It was a guava. "Yes, tree bird, I won't give you any space," shouted the guava tree before the bird could ask anything. The poor bird was not totally heartbroken. "No one wants me, I don't have any friends," she cried. As she was walking, she suddenly heard a voice. The voice said, "Come to me." It was the banyan tree. "Hey little sparrow, I can be a friend. I have a lot of room in my branches, so you can comfortably stay there," said the banyan tree. "That's so kind of you, Mr. Banyan. I'd love to stay with you," the sparrow said happily. Moral of the story is, good begets good. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more moral and learnable lessons. Thank you. See you in the next video.